Hi and welcome to this course. We are happy to have you here. Let me introduce this course first. In this course, you will learn to create Webview Android application. This course is designed for everyone. Even an absolute beginner can create the application. In the first part of course, you will learn to download and set up all the software you need. In the second part, you will learn to import source code and start creating the app. In the third part, you will learn to add push notification feature. You will also learn to use WordPress plugin to send notifications right from your WP admin. In the fourth part, you will learn to add Google Analytics and add mob. In the fifth part, you will learn to publish Android apps on Google Play Store. If you have any doubt while watching the lecture, you can contact us and I will be more than happy to help you. If needed, I will create the lecture and add it to course.